Are you tired of dealing with bald spots and thinning hair? Well, prepare to be amazed, because a new drug called PP405 might just be the answer to your prayers. Hair loss is a common issue that affects many, and it can take a toll on one's confidence. While there are various treatments available, most only offer temporary relief and don't address the real problem. But here's where it gets controversial. A recent study has revealed a groundbreaking discovery. Pelage Pharmaceuticals has developed PP405, a drug that can reactivate dormant hair follicle stem cells and stimulate natural hair growth. In a Phase 2A trial, participants who used PP405 daily for 8 weeks experienced significant improvements, with some achieving an incredible 20% increase in hair density. Unlike traditional treatments like minoxidil or finasteride, PP405 targets the root cause by waking up those inactive follicles. Thinning hair is a concern for both men and women, but PP405 offers a real, scientifically backed solution. It provides a way to achieve thicker, healthier hair and long-term regrowth. But how does it work? PP405 is a topical drug specifically designed to target dormant hair follicle stem cells. Over time, various factors can cause these cells to become inactive, leading to hair loss. By reactivating these cells, PP405 allows hair follicles to resume their natural growth cycle. It's like giving your hair a fresh start. The mechanism behind PP405 is all about energy. By increasing lactate availability in the scalp, it provides the necessary fuel for dormant stem cells to wake up and start producing hair again. This cellular-level approach is unique and sets PP405 apart from conventional treatments. The Phase 2A clinical trial results were impressive. Out of 78 participants, 31% saw a significant increase in hair density. Most reported noticeable improvements in hair thickness and overall scalp coverage. And the best part? Side effects were minimal, making PP405 the safe and effective option for long-term use. PP405 represents a paradigm shift in hair loss treatment. It goes beyond slowing hair shedding or improving circulation. It tackles the biological cause of hair loss head-on by restoring the natural function of hair follicles. PP405 offers a sustainable solution for anyone seeking thicker, healthier hair. While PP405 is not yet widely available, early clinical evidence suggests it could be a game changer. If Phase 3 trials are successful, it may redefine hair restoration for millions. Imagine regaining your hair without invasive procedures or complex treatments. The future of PP405 looks promising, and dermatologists and patients are eagerly awaiting its broader availability. It has the potential to set a new standard for hair loss treatment, moving away from temporary fixes towards real, lasting solutions. So, when can we expect PP405 to hit the market? The clinical trials are still ongoing, and the approval process can be lengthy. It may take a few years, but the wait could be well worth it. What do you think about PP405? Do you believe it could be the solution to hair loss? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.